Hi there. Today, I'm going to teach you British English. Do you know how to say Keshigomu in English? Keshigomu? Eraser. No! Fuck! No! It's called a rubber. Don't ever call it an eraser. There's no such thing as American English. There's English and there are mistakes. Okay, next. Nikibi. People, no! Fuck! We say spot. A spot. I've got a spot. Okay? Pimple. It sounds like ping pong. I'm not talking about any sports here, okay? Okay, next. Hodo. Sidewalk. No! Pavement! Oh, Shaburi. Pacify. Dummy! Eigakan. Moving Herb. Okay. Finally, herbs. Right, it's the same in the UK. But just in case, let's check the pronunciation. Herbs.
Herbs.
No! Herbs.